This simple guide will show you how to change your Squarespace blog layout. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's aesthetic or enhance the readability of your content, adjusting your blog's layout can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in and explore how to make these changes effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Squarespace website and heading to the Pages section. Here, you should see a list of all the pages on your site. Find and click on your main blog page. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're on the right page before proceeding. Once you've selected your blog page, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice an edit button. Click on that, and it will take you into the page editor mode. This is where you can make changes to the content and layout of your blog, so take a deep breath and get ready to unleash your creativity. Now, hover your mouse over the main section of your blog. You'll see a grid appear, and within that grid, there will be a small pencil icon. This icon is your gateway to customizing your blog's layout. Click on it, or alternatively, you might see an option labeled Edit Section. Either will get you to the same place, so go ahead and click. Once you've clicked the pencil icon or Edit Section, a configuration panel will appear on the side of your screen. This panel is packed with options that allow you to tweak various aspects of your blog's appearance. But for now, our focus is on the Format tab, so select that. Inside the Format tab, you'll want to zero in on the Layout option. This is where you can really start to personalize how your blog looks. Click on the drop-down menu next to Layout. You'll see a range of standard design styles to choose from. Take your time to explore these options. Each style offers a unique way to present your content, so think about what will best fit the tone and purpose of your blog. As you select different layouts, you'll see a live preview of your blog update in real time. This is a great way to get a feel for what each style looks like and how it impacts the overall appearance of your blog. Remember, the aim is to make your content both appealing and easy for readers to navigate. Once you've settled on a layout that you're happy with, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the configuration panel or the top right corner of your screen. Click it to ensure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Squarespace blog layout. By following these steps, you can easily switch things up whenever you're in the mood for a fresh look. Remember, the layout of your blog is more than just an aesthetic choice. It plays a key role in how your audience engages with your content. Enjoy experimenting with different styles and happy blogging.